Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Brown with Trijicon, and I'm here to introduce you to Trijicon Care and welcome you to the Trijicon family. Once you get your new Trijicon optic, and in this example here we got the Trijicon RMR, you're going to remove the first layer of padded foam and you're going to find your various mounts, accessories, and parts, a new battery, your Trijicon sticker, your manual, and then some various literature on Trijicon. And then what we're going to talk about today is our Trijicon Care card. With this card, you'll be able to find technical information, your warranty information, along with registering your new Trijicon optic. On the back side of the card, you'll find a QR code that will take you straight to our Trijicon Care portal. You can also access this by going to trijicon.com/TrijiconCare. Now that you're on the Trijicon Care portal, step one is for you to join our community. Here, you're going to create your own Trijicon account and sign up for our newsletter. You will also find your warranty information and register your brand new optic. Step two is getting to know your Trijicon product inside and out. Here you will find red dot holster compatibility, mounting instructions, frequently asked questions, manuals, torque specs, and so much more. Step three, get to know us at Trijicon. Learn about the story of Trijicon and how we got started. From iron sights to the ACOG to the RMR and everything else that has led us up to today. You will learn about our world-class durability and all that goes into the science of brilliance. Lastly, if at any point you have a question about your item, servicing your item, or simply have a question about Trijicon, you will find our contact information where you can reach out to our amazing customer service team. Thank you for joining our community and registering your product through Trijicon Care. We'll see you in the field or at the range.